In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to enable pre-orders on your Shopify store, ensuring your customers can purchase items even before they are available. Welcome back to TechMan. So let's begin this tutorial. Log into your Shopify admin panel. So from here, go to your left side menu and tap on Add Apps, then select Shopify App Store. In this page, you can install apps that can be helpful to your online store directly on Shopify. Now on the search box on the top, just simply type in pre-order, find the app that you like. In our case, let's use this pre-order word right here. Tap on that and click install. On this page, click install once again. Click activate now, and you will be taken to your store editor. Make sure that your app is turned on. Once done, go back again to this app setup and hit I have already activated. Next, add your product by clicking add product over here. Now check this box to add your product and hit add once done. Over here, let's select this first option. You can customize the phrase you want your pre-order button on your store. Let's just use this default one and click Save Customization right here. And there you have it. I suggest to reload it to reflect the changes or reopen your online store. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.